मेरा नाम सर्वा समी है। आज हम लोग एक कुछ बना रहे हैं। आप कैसे करेंगे? क्या बना रही हूँ? वो जैसे बनता है जी, आपने बहुत अच्छा सुना। हम लोग जल्दी बना रहे हैं आज, पर आज सैटरडे है ना, तो आज मैं और मम्मा वीकेंड पे जल्दी बनाना सोच रहे थे। चले आए बनाते हैं। हम लोगों के पास है ये पैन, jelly powder, spoon, two glass, put it in water, and this is for later when we will make some jelly. So let's come. So first we have to have some water in these 2 cups and put it into the pan. Oopsies.
Yes, first we will take 2 cups of water.
Then we'll put this there. Yeah.
No, first put it on the stove.
So mom is going to do the lighting because I cannot do it. I'm so little. Can I put it? Can I put it? Hey, it's cute because I have never ever do this. Good. Yay!
Okay.
Now when will this have some bubbles? That is ready, and then we will put some powder. तो अब हम लोगों ने इस जेली की अनबॉक्सिंग कर ली है। सो अब ये दिस इज़ ये जो है पैन, इसके बबल्स निकलना शुरू हो गए। तो अब हम लोग इसको इस जेली के पाउडर को ओपन कर इसके अंदर डालेंगे।
सर्वा, ये कौन सा फ्लेवर है?
दिस इज strawberry jelly.
Do you like strawberry flavor?
I love. I have
Okay.
eaten.
Now the water is boiling.
Yeah.
Chale.
So should I want to see this. Can you put it over here?
Okay.
Oh my god. Wow. So good. Can you just me, please? Can I do? Yeah. Wow, yeah. Guys, look at this. It's a little. It's so much thin. Look at the sugar.
Okay, sugar is already mixed in it. Okay, now let's put it back on the stove.
Can I put it?
It's too hot.
Hey.
Okay, and now we will keep on stirring.
Okay, I'm stir.
Be careful.
Okay. I cannot see. I'm so small. Ouch! My hand.
No, don't do like this.
Huh. I don't know how to.
Wow, beautiful color.
Yeah, so good. Like, look at this. Reddish all around. Like, oh, one thing. This is red and this pan is red.
Yeah.
So
The
cute.
pan is also red.
And inside is black. It's making this so small. It's making it so thin. I can see it from here. How
I
much we
think
have to
it is mixed. When it will be mixed, then we will switch off the stove and then put it in on that bowl. White one. Okay, now this is done. Now what is the next step?
So, let me see it from here. Okay, then we have to put this in the pan. I will not do it because my hand will burn. And
So,
let's.
okay,
So
I'll
my
do it for you.
mom will help me. My mom will help me, and I will put it in the fridge. Whoa, so reddish. Look at. Oh my god, look at this.
Okay, now we will put it in the room temperature, and then
We will put it in the fridge or freezer. Then we will
for
eat
30
it.
or 45
Yeah, then
minutes.
we will
Okay.
eat it. Bye.
Yes, Salwa, now your jelly is ready
Yeah, my jelly is ready. Now we have to cut it. I have to cut it like this.
in the form of squares.
Now we have some jelly. I will put for me some
I know what is this?
jelly. I will put for me and my sister. Oops, I'll